Hello everyone, it is close to 3 a.m. Friday, May 20th, the year 2022, and that is the Gazebo on next to the river in Stillwater. Well, it's in the river right now. Normally you can walk up to it, and then it goes down a little hill, and then you go up steps and go up into the gazebo, and it's pretty cool. But well, it's springtime and it rained a lot last week, so the river is up. There is the old Stillwater lift bridge, converted into part of the loop trail. Because the new St. Croix Crossing River Bridge opened in August of 2017, almost 5 years ago. What a great day that was. This old antique bridge here was finally retired from carrying automobiles over its steel, old steel girders and cement. Anyway, and to the right about in the middle there, the west end, that is a cement portion of the bridge. There's actually a little road that you can drive a car or little truck under when it's not flooded. Well, you can't do that right now. And back in the 90s, I think I pulled 2 or 3 vehicles out of the water there when the water was, it wasn't up as high as it is now, but it was, I don't know, about 2-3 feet deep, and people would drive in there and then get to a point where their engine sucked water into the intake and the engine died. And I almost always have a tow strap with me, and so I pulled 2 or 3 cars out of there. It's kind of weird to see water coming out of the tailpipe of a car. But I wonder how you would explain that to your insurance adjuster. Yeah, I drove under a little bridge at the west end of the Stillwater Bridge, and into water that was deeper than I thought it was, and ruined the engine. Well, they might say, oh, we don't cover engines. What are you doing, you dummy? But anyway, yeah, that's an old bridge. That bridge was, I believe they started constructing this bridge in 1929, and they finished it in 1931. So they finished it at the beginning of the Great Depression. But it replaced an old wooden bridge. I think the old wooden bridge it replaced actually caught on fire at one time. But anyway, it's so interesting how calm the water is. Not much wind. See how even the reflection of the lights are off of the water. But yep, downtown Stillwater. Yep. And I'm facing north again. There's the gazebo, so I'm facing north. There's PD Pappy's up there. So PD Pappy's can't be open right now, unless, well, maybe if everybody wanted to wear scuba gear. Just imagine going up to the bar wearing scuba gear. But no. Anyway, well, hopefully it won't flood any worse than this. every so often, not every year, but once in a while, they do have to build a flood wall along downtown Stillwater. It usually goes right behind my truck there on this side of the hotel and along the streets, and almost everything ends up being, on the bluff side of the temporary dike, but not always. But okay, wait. Okay, sign says caution: no one beyond this point. Hidden drop-offs. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't want to get a ticket from the Stillwater police. But yeah, sometimes people come down here and take wedding photos down in the gazebo. In the summertime, it's well, especially like on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, it is not uncommon to see people walking through downtown in fancy dresses and stuff for weddings. There's weddings held in downtown Stillwater. There is a place by the Lowell Inn where people have wedding parties and dances and all that. I've delivered pizza to them multiple times, but Stillwater, I think, would be a great place to have a wedding. Though if I was having a wedding, I'd rather have it in a park or on an old farm next to an old red barn or something like that. But that hotel there had an addition, multi-million-dollar addition added on to it, I don't know, about 3, 4, 5 years ago. Oh, I wish they had kept the railroad tracks. The railroad tracks through downtown Stillwater were removed in the summer of 2005, which severed the Minnesota Zephyr tourist train operation from the U.S. rail network. And after the Zephyr closed up, you had to use cranes and semis to haul the train down to the tracks at Anderson Windows. And that cost him a lot of money. But a little bit of history about Stillwater. So anyway, all right, well, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna try and bring some more interesting and entertaining videos to this channel. Give it a little bit more variety, bring some more positive videos to it, and all that. All right, well, thanks for watching. See ya, bye.